Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working as affiliate since the mid of 2015, and in this channel I usually share my actual and honest experience with people who are trying to build or grow their online business. And in this video, I'm gonna speak about two so important recommendations. Anyone who is working online and want to be successful and to enjoy his journey as affiliate or working online in general, much more easier, happier, and full of excitement and enjoyment. The first one, my friend, is your mindset. You need to make a solid decision that this is your way, this is your life, this is your destiny. You are destined. You need to understand that you are destined to greatness. So this kind of mindset will help you a lot, and you will not leave any space for any give up, any change of mind, or any feel boring or anything like this. By your solid mindset, you'll like, for example, keep enjoying your daily working hours. You'll look to your future in a different way, that because of course you understand what's this business is going to bring for you, for your family, or to give you, if when you be successful, your time freedom, your wealth and abundance of life, and to deal and work and meet people who are successful. This is so important. Your mindset is the much more important decision you make right now, and keep working on it, because it will help you a lot not to hesitate, not to feel boring, not to stop working, not to make something happen later, things like this. The second one is the skill set. The skill set, my friend, this is a huge business, and there is a lot of skills here in this industry, in the online business in general. So everyone have skills. Someone basics, other advanced. Some people are professional. Let's speak about the beginners. My friend, if you are a beginner, don't worry if you don't have too much skills. You can build it one by one. First of all, you come to online business, understand how it works, who's the people is working online, and also you'll understand the experience of other people by watching their videos, by reading books, by attending meetings, anything. Of course, if you already purchase, or you want to purchase an online training, that will be good, and you will understand very well how this kind of business will work, and you will carry on your journey in a good hands. But this is for beginners. My friend, you will start with the basic skills, and you need to grow day by day. Put for yourself a schedule that now you finish the training, you need to understand how to build the landing page, the sales funnel, or how to set up and work on your autoresponder. Then there is the skills later about the advertisement, how to promote your business, what's the techniques, what's the tools, which platforms is work better with this kind of business, how much fast you want to grow, like keep working, keep your growing organically, or you want to speed up your journey. This you will understand later. But now, speaking about the general skills, like the foundation for online business is the most important right now. You know, even the number one marketer in the world now couldn't say that they master everything, because everyone, all the number one marketers who make millions per month, have their own assistant team and on company setup, things like this. So in person, no one can say that he is mastering everything. All the people keep learning. It's like let's say, I can't say it's a steep learning curve. No, but it's long journey to keep learning, to keep building, to keep also growing, and you'll find it is like an interesting and amazing journey for success, because how much time you invest, and how much skills you acquire and master, that will make you financially confident, not only have like financial freedom, but will make you confident that this business is successful, or whatever the outcome or that, you can expand and add more products, more niche, more kind of businesses. Because why? Because you have your own solid mindset, and also you have built a really good and amazing skills that will enable you to work whenever, whatever, however you want. So keep working on building your skills, ask a question, attend webinars, go for meetings, read books, go for a mastermind. If you can later hire a mentor for 1, 2, 3, 4 months, that will make your journey much more easier and happier. You'll enjoy it, my friend. This is my two recommendation, and the other things will come later. After you have your excellent or good setup, the mindset and the skill set, then you will work on improving, on mastering the skills of the advertisement, the promotion, and how to drive traffic, how to bring customers, how to deal with the customer when they join you or come to buy or already buy from you. You know, my friend, me and others, there is a lot of stories, successful stories. All the marketers, number one marketers right now, they started beginners, but they found their way for success by working hard, by investing a lot of time, by putting some money, maybe injecting in their business, and so on. This is my recommendation, my friend. Now, for my business, I have my solid mindset. I have I can say really professional skills I have, but I have good skill set for working online, and also I'm keep working on building my knowledge, expanding, doing things like this, so that I keep enjoying my working online journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value from that. Please subscribe, please comment, drop me a line, check my website www.haniamari.com, and I will see you very soon. Thank you.